Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel English Stories with me. And today I want to share a powerful story with you. It's about life, about difficult and about never give up. You know that this story will teach you something new and important in life. Nothing is impossible. You must try it. You must do it. You must work for it. Without this, you cannot achieve success in your life. So listen this story carefully and remember these words every time you feel tired and hopeless. There was a boy named Ram who lived in a small village. He had big dreams. He wanted to be respected and a successful person in life. But Ram was very poor and he had no means of becoming famous. He keeps thinking in his mind all day long, what should I do to become rich? He did very small jobs in the village to earn his living. Ram faced many problems in his life, but never forget his dream. He never told anyone about his dreams. He had only one aim in his life, that he will become a respected person in his life. One day he went to a dhaba near the village and started working there. He used to work very diligently at that dhaba. But one day the owner of the dhaba told Ram that, son, there is no work here anymore. You can leave from here. Ram became very sad after hearing this. Ram no longer has the means to earn his living. He wondered what he should do now to fill his stomach. Then he started earning his living by working in people's houses. Ram's life was full of difficulties, and when Ram was alone at night, he would think about his dreams and said to himself that one day he would become a great person. Despite so many problems, Ram never gave up in his life. He always remembered his Baba's words that no problem is so big that a human being cannot solve it. Time passed, and one day Ram decided to go to the city because Ram knew that to fulfill his dreams I would have to go to the city, and he knew very well that his dream's destination was there. The next morning, Ram went to the city. After reaching the city, he sat near a park of the railway station. There he saw many people moving here and there. He saw that everyone was busy in their work. No one looked at Ram. Ram sitting there watching the people when suddenly a gentleman came to him, and that man said to Ram, "What are you doing here?" At first Ram was little scared and said, "I am looking for a job." The man smiled a little and then said, "Will you come with me?" Ram said, "Yes, I will come with you because I need money." The man took Ram and put Ram on a small position in a small factory. Ram worked very hard in the factory. The factory owner was very happy to see his honesty and hard work. One day, the factory owner said to Ram, "Ram, your dedication and honesty will make you a great person one day." After hearing this from him, Ram felt as if his dreams was coming true. He worked hard many years in this factory, and maybe you all might not know that today Ram has become a rich person. And through this video, I want to tell you all of you that if a person has dedication and honesty, then he can do anything in the world. And if any problems comes in our life, then we should not panic. Rather, problems always comes to change our life. So we should always think positive and try to change our life. The way Ram faced his problems in life and changed his life on his own strength. If you do the same, then we too can change our life. There is no doubt about it. If you all like our videos, please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel, all my dear friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.